Hi, I'm the Crypto Lifer. Welcome to my channel. If you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. If you like the content and the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button. I do a lot of shooting, I do a lot of editing, I make live streams every single day, but I don't have time right now. I'm seeing something on the charts that's about to explode. I really want to get it out there. I do not have the time. You can see I'm in my green screen room with lights, cameras, everything all around me, and it doesn't matter. I'm here to give you guys what you need, and that is the charts and calls. That's what I do for a living. That's what I'm here for. I really want to get into this. I want to show you what's happening with Safemoon right now. I have an update with Safemoon. I did turn $2,500 into about $145,000 with Safemoon. I have not sold. I'm still holding with those diamond hands, trying to get to 1.4 million. Going for that million with Safemoon, and I'm really doing it. I show it on the show, no BS, every single day. So I have an update for Safemoon. I want you guys to understand what I see. I've been charting for over 12 years. I've been doing heavy charting for 5 years, and I do probably 16 hours of charting, 5 to 16 hours of charting every single day, no matter what the day. I live stream for 14 hours a week, and I make content just like this. So guys, stay tuned. I want to show you something right now into the charts. I'm going to show you something in the charts for Safemoon that's going to blow your mind. Guys, watch this. So here is Safemoon right here. Here was the initial huge pump. We dumped back. We long. We broke back out of this huge triangle. This is a bull flag triangle, a bullish pennant. Let me show you what it means to be in a bullish pennant. There, like so, and then your bottom trend line like so. It makes a beautiful triangle. See that? A beautiful triangle, bull pennant, ready to rock. Now we made another triangle here. You can see this triangle is what's called an ascending triangle. Flat on the top, but ascending up. Bullish sign. It could break 50-50, but it's a bullish sign right now that we're going to break this previous high. Right now, we're testing the previous high right now. If we break through that previous high, high probability we get through this old high right there, which is halfway through resistance, all the way to my target here. Temporary target is a 69% out of this smaller target, but it's also in a bit of a cup with a rounded handle there. This is also a cup and handle, guys. Look, when I zoom out and I look at it closely, I'm going to see a cup. Boom. These things break up huge. So we bring this cup up closer to the price action. I can see this doing serious damage, as we say on the channel, breaking all the way up. Where's the bigger target? It's the length of this pole of this bigger channel. You swing that up, and that also coincides with the same target of the smaller. That's not a coincidence. I think we have confluence breaking the all-time high. Safemoon this weekend looks like, maybe even tonight, we could see some action for Asia. Ready to rock. So that's it, folks. I hope you liked what you saw there. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. I'm going to keep coming at you with these videos every time I have a chance to tell you something that I think is going to happen.